whole thing just smashes everywhere. Oh, I'm in awe. This is incredible. It looks so cool.
That there is snap, crackle, pop. So popping candy in a test tube.
It smells so good. I start looking and there's so many elements inside this ball.
Far out.
Yeah, so that's your strawberry coulis splattered on the bench. Then you've got a financier sponge with some raspberries in there, so it's quite moist and quite tasty as well. Then you've got a white chocolate mascarpone vanilla mousse in there. And then you've got meringue kisses. You've got raspberries, strawberries, baby basil. That's a raspberry curd.
Oh.
Wow.
And then you've got, obviously, chocolate work around it as well. Make sure you eat everything together as well.
Oh, yum.
A mousse is just like super silk and just absolutely pure, and then the curd is sweet and tangy. And just how fresh everything is. Like, it's not like overpowering sweet, like it's fresh fruit and the little basil leaves and stuff. It's just really yum.
Sensational. I reckon it's right. 28.6. All right, I'm gonna use it.
My chocolate is finally at 28.5 degrees and I've got to work quickly. I need to get these moulds done and into the blood chiller. It's going to be so hard to demold these moulds if you don't have the right consistency. If it's too thick, yeah, it'll come out perfectly easy, but if it's too thin, it's going to get stuck in there and then you're going to break your chocolate and you won't have a mould. So it's a really fine line.
That looks so good, Elise.
Start thinking about those domes, Harry.
Everything's ready to go, except for the white chocolate domes. I'm so worried that they're not going to come out easy. Though I looked up the front, Charlie's came out in just a second, so I'm hoping mine are going to do the same. I scrape all the chocolate off the top of the dome mould so the white chocolate domes come out nice and easy. But they're not coming out nice and easy.
Get your gloves on and just work gently. You've got time, mate.
I don't have time.
I just really need this to work.
Use your gloves, Harry, because you can grip and slide it.
If the white chocolate domes don't come out of their moulds, I don't have a dish. Like, what am I going to do? They're just going to be a mess on the plate.
These white chocolate domes are so thin. They need to be thin because when you drop it, they're meant to crack everywhere, but I can't pull it out. The recipe's telling me to push on them, but it's not coming out. I can slowly see little cracks happening.
Is it fully clean, the top?
It's stuck.
Don't panic, Elise, you're right.
It's just not working. They're not coming out, and I don't know what to do. They're not coming out. How the...
Come on, Elise. All right.
Elise, gentle. Calm. Gentle. Calm. Turn it over and tap it hard. No, with your hand on the...
It's literally so stuck to the dome, it's not coming out.
I'm doing everything. Smashing it on the bench. Not working. Scooping it out. Not working. I try even using a blowtorch.
Oh, what are you doing, Harry?
Do not blowtorch it! Harry, don't blowtorch it. It's chocolate. You're going to melt it.
This is it. This is it. I'm done. My whole life is riding on whether or not these white chocolate domes are going to come out of the moulds.
Keep focused. Go, Harry. Do everything else that you can.
Like that. Like what you were just doing.
It comes out. I've never, ever been so relieved in my entire life.
Come on, Harry. Come on, Harry.
So I have 15 minutes to plate up. This is make or break. To build the domes, put my raspberry coulis in. Then the next layer after that is the financier sponge. On top of that is the mousse, then a raspberry curd dome, and I've also got meringue kisses. But, you know, the meringues aren't not the shape and the texture that I really want. I could be paying for that mistake.